5 a.m. to 11 a.m. So PST 5 a.m. Where is 5 a.m. here? So that means Indian time or IST you can consider 5:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. So this is the peak time, US time. So where most of the people will be using Claude Code. So in this time, your limit will be reached faster. So even for simple prompt, it will go to like direct 15% or 20%. So avoid using this peak time. So from 5:30 p.m. IST to 11:30 p.m. IST, if you are working on your own product, avoid this timing. Always use other time apart from this. So in 24 hours, there is a lot of time you can do from morning 6 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. You have a lot of time available. So in that time, try to use Cloud Code. Don't use timing in this peak hour. This is very important. Otherwise, you will be quickly wasting or increasing your limit. So your limits will reach faster. So here you can see it's 30%. So normally, if you are not in peak hour, it will just increase the total limit will increase by 1%. But if you are using in peak hours, your limit will increase by 5% or 10%. So weekly will increase will be higher. So avoid using peak hours. Always try to use Cloud Code outside this 5:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. if you are in the IST time zone or India time. During peak hour, you should avoid using Cloud Code if you are using for your personal project. If you are using for company project, you don't have any other way. But for personal project, we have limited what you can say usage. So if you don't want to reach limits faster, avoid using peak hours time. So that is very important.